Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about timers, how we can use the timers in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you that's in the Mitsubishi PLC timer numbers, how much timers you can use and what's the number of the timers. In Mitsubishi PLC, T0 to T199, that's you can got the 100 millisecond timers, TON timers. And start from T200 to T245, that's 10 milliseconds you can got T-on timers. And T246 to T249, that's 10 milliseconds you can got for RTO timers. And T250 up to T255, that's 100 milliseconds available RTO timers. And then T256 up to T511, that's 1 milliseconds are available in Mitsubishi PLC. So let's get with the software we will use this and how we can use these timers in the software. First of all, we will go to read the PLC and which is model you have, that's you can select FX CPU. This model I have and I will select this one, and after this window you will be get and click on serial USB, and here which is your COM port selected, that's you have to be choose. I will connect my cable and that's COM4, and the transmission speed you can choose 19.2 kilobytes per second and click it OK and check the connection test. If your communication cable is properly connected with your COM port 4, after this message will be appear and click it OK. Then here also click it OK, and which program is inside the PLC, that will be shown on the desktop. Now it's backing up. There is a which program inside the PLC. This will take the, and also this symbol you can see this program going to the your PC. And when you write to the PLC, that's after this look like from here to program, there will be travel. And close this dialog and close this also. And this program is a previous program. Now I will delete this program and we will make it the new program. So first of all, what we will do, here we will take a one input address, for example X0 I will take and click it OK. One second, just we will take this X0 and we will take one timer. For example, here is we will take T0 timer. T0 timer we will take, and how much value we like to be. For example, 100 milliseconds we will take. We have to be write K 100. For example, this is 1 millisecond. 1 second timer, and then we will take this one, the one open contact again of the X0, and here we will take the one close contact of the T0, and we will operate one any output of our PLC. For example, Y0 we will choose, sorry, out we have to be Out we will choose. Out Y0 we will choose. And of the open contact of the T0 we will choose this one. Here we will choose T0. Open contact of the T0 we will operate Y1 or any, you can make that depend on your choice, and write to the PLC. Oh sorry, this is, we have to be first compile, because this Mitsubishi PLC he is not allowed to direct download. Must be, you have to be compile first, and after you can execute the program. Some softwares are automatically compiled the program and after download, and some softwares are not availability. There you have to be manual first compile. If you have some errors or something, this will be clear and program is okay. After this is allowed to download to the PLC. So now close this one, and this also close, and you can monitor the, start monitoring. Wait for a second. Yes, now it's okay. Our PLC is now run mode. And for example, see, as I give the signal at my X0, as I give the signal X0, you see, this is the time. Now Y0 is running, and after this time, the finish, after our Y1 will be on. See, again I will give the supply in this 100 milliseconds. When finished, after this will be Y1 will be on. Right? And if this is, for example, we need some make any yeah, and if you, for example, we need this timer value set from the HMI, so what we will do, we will stop this simulation, stop the monitoring, and this you can make it this here T0, and here you can write the T0 and click it OK. Sorry, T0 and D0. So this is not this is what first we have to be, sorry, in this programs Mitsubishi PLC must you have to be must you have to be go to the write mode. After this will be allowed to write any program T0, and here you have to be write D0, and then click enter and compile, and after write to the PLC. Oh sorry, this is again click I wrong, no problem. Let's again go online and write to the PLC and execute. Stop the CPU. Manually also have the button upside the PLC. If you can like to stop the from the PLC, you can stop there, and your program will be start downloading, and it's automatically also this stop the PLC and download the program, and close this one and go to the monitor and start monitoring all windows, and your program will be start. And see now at the D0 and not have any value. How we can write the value? We have to be dug in this, not here, sorry. Click on the 00 or modify the value, for example. Modify the value and here you have to be right here you have to be right D0, and here you give the value, for example 20 milliseconds. In the decimal you will set this 20 milliseconds will be ready with your timer, and as you give the signal to the PLC, your 20 milliseconds will be ready after your output will be on. See, now it's running 20 milliseconds, and as I gives, for example, this is 50 milliseconds, I like to change this value and click it on set. And this, if dialog you like to be closed, you can close and again give the signal, and you can see this is the 50 milliseconds running at the timer. And if you like to be change this value for example, sorry, again this is the modified, a big modify value, and here must you have to be select D0 first, and after here you, for example 100 milliseconds I will choose and set this one 100 and close this dialog box. And as you giving the signal, your timer will be runs at the 100 milliseconds, right? 100 milliseconds after his change his contact, y0 will be stop and y1 will be on. So this way you can use the timers in the PLC, and the many timers very facility very available. See this T0, how much timers 200, how much long program if you like to make, you can make. This is the easiest way to use the timers in the PLC, and I hope you will be understand about this timer program how can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.